Hello, this is Steve from Wine Cellar Designers Group. Today we're going to talk a little bit about this wine cellar here in Newport Beach. Really cool attributes and things we did for this wine cellar. One thing in particular is using these light panels. Very unique thing that Wine Cellar Designers Group has come out with, as well as we also have these alcohol lit up light panels as well. So you put a really good bottle of 1942, bottle of whiskey, it really lights it up, makes it look really great. So it's a light panel sandwiched in with a white acrylic, and then that illuminates that light to be able to show off the bottles that you have here. And as you can see here, this is without lighting. So what makes this room so amazing is the light panels that come on. The lighting aspects of the whole thing is what makes this cellar so stunning. This is a very first time we ever used this type of light panel, and this light panel illuminates through the back in their Lutron system. This is a light panel. There's acrylic sandwiched with a piece of wood, and then in between there is just lighting. And what we did was add the standoffs so it can hold on against the wall, as well as the light panels itself. And then we have the racking. So this racking is a triple deep, so for 3 bottles, polished stainless steel peg from Wine Cellar Designers Group. And then what we've done is added it to the light panel itself, which is an acrylic panel, 3/4 inch acrylic panel with lighting in the back there as well. So something very unique that we've done for this project. We're doing we're doing many more of these now because it just seemed to be very popular. What we did, what's amazing, these are our light panels, and our light panels, they light up for alcohol, and then also obviously we have a light up area for the champagne area. But these light panels are fantastic. It ends up lighting up the alcohol or wine or tequila. Anything you want can light up inside of this as well. We have a curved corner here, horizontal displays coming down here. We have a light valance with lights on the reveal here. Also, some things we included in here is we did an area for a glass rack and a marble tabletop to be able to decant any bottles. Put out a beautiful picture from Napa that they wanted to have back there. And again, just some extra beautiful touches that we did to get this room where we needed it to be.